Augustino in the building. A big shout out once again, you know, for the King. Ik in die King Vega op goede muziek. Dat is gaan drop voor jullie soon, you know, soon. Please go check out this, you know, wonderful, talented, good brother of mine, you know. The double play is basically a segment where we, you know, bring awareness. We as the platform, you know, it's called Repistrata Show on Radio Eerste Rivier. We bring awareness to you guys about the up and coming new artists, you know, and you know, well established artists, you know. Basically, you need to go say, like, subscribe, you know, to the material on the DSPs on all social media platforms. Dankie weer eens vir almal wat intune, wat hierdie show, you know, wording maak vir my om elke week in te skop en om elke dag my ding te doen. Ladies and gentlemen, Augustino, our double play artist, he's in the building. Plaas op en vir jou wat die weet waar ze ingetune is hy.
Eerste Rivier. Our station, our talent, our people. Die ding rukkie.
En saam wie ze is hy.
You're in the mix with DJ Gaki.
Plaas op jou bliksem.
People change. Yeah. Never gonna be a hater. Augustino featuring Baby Day.
Once again, weer eens, you know, for onze double play artist, Augustino, you know. Go and like, subscribe, follow this young artist, you know, this young guy, this young man, you know. Go and subscribe and like, you know, and share and follow, you know. A big shout out once again, Augustino, you know. In die building, heel tyd, blaas op cousin. Kijk, jullie weet mos, maar die show gaat zo gevaarlijk. Als je weer je oor uitveer, dan is het alweer tijd voor ons om uit hierdie segment en uit hierdie show of je fabriek uit te leef. Je moet move. It's the best show on the internet right now, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm searching for a way out. They won't let me in, but I won't stay out. They won't lock me down, I'ma break out. No way I ain't backing. No way I ain't backing down, no. All my life I'm searching for a way out. Searching for a way out. Protection we under divine and covered. All my life I'm searching for a way out. They won't let me in, while I won't stay out. They won't lock me down, while I'ma break out. No way I ain't backing out, no. All my life I'm searching for a way out. Way out. All my life I'm way out. All my life I'm shouting for a way out.